In the heart of the 19th century, a revolutionary invention was about to redefine the world's perception of reality. Paris, 1839, the City of Lights, was the stage for this groundbreaking moment, where the first successful photographic process was unveiled to the public. Louis-Jacques-Mande Daguerre, a French artist and inventor, had spent years experimenting with various chemical combinations, driven by a passion to create a permanent, lifelike image. His tireless dedication was about to bear fruit. The Daguerreotype, as he named it, was a complex process. It involved the use of silver-coated copper plates, iodine vapor, and a series of delicate steps under exacting conditions. Yet, the resulting image was nothing short of spectacular, a sharp, detailed, and astonishingly lifelike portrait of the world around us. The French government, impressed by Daguerre's invention, agreed to fund its development and distribution. In exchange, Daguerre promised to share the process with the world, thus ensuring its widespread adoption. On August 19, 1839, Daguerre unveiled his invention to the public at the French Academy of Sciences. The audience was captivated by the lifelike images, a stark contrast to the traditional art forms of the time. The world had never seen anything like it. The Daguerreotype was an instant sensation. It was hailed as a revolution in the field of art and science, forever changing the way people perceived the world around them. The age of photography had begun, and it was set to reshape the future. Yet, the road to this revolutionary moment was not without challenges. Daguerre had to overcome numerous obstacles, from financial difficulties to skepticism from the scientific community. But his determination and passion for his work never wavered. The Daguerreotype marked a new era, a new way to capture and preserve the fleeting moments of life. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the power of determination. A revolution that started in Paris, 1839, was about to change the world.